afternoon, but it's actually still morning, but it's late morning. We are on the way to
Angels.
the Land of Angels.
The Land of Angels waterfall.
Which is meant to be picturesque, to say the least. We've got an hour journey. So, and I've also got the drone with me. So hopefully this video starts with a good bit of drone footage of the absolute beauty hills of Chiang Mai. So yeah, see you there. Quick pit stop. 7-Eleven. Aha, come on, Cap. Oh, they've got loads of flies all over them. We'll pick one without. Hopefully there's many. Tie Cap. Hug sip. Hug sip. Hug sip, Cap. Cop on Cap. Nung Roy. They always like it, especially the old Thais. They always like a little bit of Thai interactions. So we've got the essential, which is a big Chiang. Let's get the notes back in the wallet. Oh shit! Here we are, Kelsey. Where are we?
It's 80 baht to get in.
Oh, is it? 80 baht entrance fee. It's expected at national parks like this, so. Just wondering if I can get the drone up, that's the only thing. Kels, gotta hold that bit. Sawadee Cap. What's on?
Thank you.
Cap.
Inside.
Ah, done?
Okay.
Okay.
Why don't they go inside?
Yeah, is that it done? No card, no? Okay.
This way.
Yeah? So far, no, it's just the first thing. Nice, though. You step all this way, babe, yeah?
Yeah. No. Is that different out of the colour of it?
I think it's something Taylor was saying, it might be. So far so good, looks pretty nice. Water's beautiful.
Do you get a pic?
Ooh, misty. Nice. Nice. Watch your head. Imagine that was it.
Oh, this is where you got the video.
Ah, is it? Oh, ah, yeah. Thank you. I don't know. It looks blue when I can see through it, but there's water on top of it, so. This is nice. This is nice. What do you think so far, Kyle?
Pretty.
Nice, isn't it? However, is it natural or is it man-made? Either way, it's beautiful. But if you look at that, how the hell is there a waterfall there? Do you know what I mean? Out of 10? 5 out of 10 from Kelsey, which is £250 all in it all. I've only got one meal and one drink. It's not horrendous, but you can tell it's full of tourists. So we're gonna have another little walk around. I think there's like a little flower garden we can walk through. See if that's any good. See if there's any more to what we've actually seen. And then if not, Sticky Waterfalls. Sticky Waterfalls. Where you belong. Go on, let's have a look. Let's have a look at you in there. See if you suit it. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Pushing myself, so I know for that.
What else are you pushing?
Chili.
Chili. What else?
My herbs.
Oh yeah. What even is that, Kels? What do you do with that?
That is a stove for the pan.
I actually don't know. You suit it though.
Thanks.
You're welcome. The trunks on them.
She's the rabbit. Bloody hell. Oh, please, can you go and feed them?
Yes. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
20 บาทครับ
20 บาทครับ
20 บาทครับ
ครับ
ขอบคุณครับ You're a handsome bugger, aren't you? Can I have one? Can I have one, babe?
Oh, the rabbits. That one's eating a leaf. I think he's hungry. Would you like that? What did that call?
Yeah.
What's the bag? What's the bag?
That.
It's on the bag. It's on the bag.
You.
They're biting you?
Yeah. Get out. Down.
Right, just watch
Yeah.
the bag.
Right.
The iPad's... Oh, my bag's getting dirty.
Right, down. Down. Oh my god.
Stand up.
Get down. Get down. Get down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chilling with the goats. Technically, then.
Look how we talk. Oh, he's biting your shorts.
Yeah.
Hello.
Look at him, he's just chewing on my t-shirt. I'm not sure what that is, but watch me nipple.
He's so fluffy like a dog. Oh, look at those horns. Look at them. Oh,
Feed him. He's gonna fucking die.
See his top. Nice. Nice.
So that is the Land of Angels done. What do you think, House?
It was pretty, but I don't think it's like...
Well, as
I think
big
it's
as
been
before,
handmade
was
there.
it? Yeah. And it definitely is handmade. But it's nice to come. But I wouldn't like do a day round it. It's literally that.
No, it takes
half
like
an hour, an hour. If you have a snack there, then probably a bit longer. But onto the Sticky Waterfalls now. And to get me there, I've got myself an absolute glass bottle of power. This is the original Thai Red Bull. Taste test. I don't know if I've had one of these before, have I?
Yeah.
It's just like Red Bull, but without the fizz.
Flat.
Yeah, just a flat Red Bull. Nice.
Ready? So Connor has stopped off to get some drone footage.
Oh. Drone footage. Briefly done. Don't put loads on me though.
Have you heard him? Don't put loads on him.
Only because I sweat it off anyway, so there's no point having it on.
No, no, but you need it on your nose.
Yeah, put it on my nose. Not loads though. The scenery around here is unbelievable. Just where we are right now, we just literally take a little road off the main road down here, and it's just farmland for as far as the eye can see. It is absolutely stunning. And when it's matched with this weather, whew, how hot is it? It's actually, I've just checked.
You can probably see the sweat dripping off my face.
Just checked the temperature and it's 35 degrees. I think that's the hottest since we've been here, isn't it?
Yeah. I need some water.
Nearly pulled the log over with me. And there's the Sticky Waterfall. So you got to walk down here, and then I'm presuming climb back up via the waterfall. That's pretty cool. Still walking all the way down to the bottom. It appears you can have a little dip here, it doesn't look deep, but we might be able to submerge ourselves in order for us to cool down, because I am absolutely bobby boiling. It's nice though. Oh yeah, it shuts at 5. Time's it open, Kels, do you remember?
10 I think.
Shuts at 5, opens at 10. Nice, isn't it? Don't know what's down there, maybe that carries on.
No, the waterfall's in here.
Did you? Beautiful.
Not sticky. I mean, it's so like, look, with the water against it and everything. So easy to find. Connor, what do you think?
Nice. Quite a bit to walk through. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so they said.
Okay, go.
Ow.
What's just happened? Got hands as well.
Yeah.
Okay, guess what you got there? Are you trying to go slow so you can get a good camera footage?
Can't believe I fell before.
I reckon it's not all like these. That right hand side might be a worse shot. It's cold.
Yeah. Yeah.
Careful.
I will. I think that's the safer way, babe. No, through there.
That's not a bit.
Go up.
Well, that's so.
We'll take the hard way, obviously. It's all about feel. That is like, wow. There she is. Yeah.
Okay. And it's 10 minutes, yeah?
Yeah, so you arrive there and you see the storyboard of this waterfall also.
Ah, yeah.
Open clap.
Go on.
I just know for a fact, wow, that the camera does not pick up just quite how beautiful this place is. Put that in the bin anywhere, babe? We're on our back, dressed, and ready to go back out again. Kelsey's just currently having some problems with the taxi man sitting in his ear, and it's quite clearly not, just him. Nope. How much did it cost you this bulk house? Take a picture of the...
I did.
How much did it cost you? 78 baht.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Sorry, Cap.
Inside or outside?
You pick. Do you have bin? Go on, Cap.
I don't know. Outside.
If I can take a look.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
What's your recommendation?
For outside?
Yeah.
Outside?
Outside, yeah.
Inside, it's not too hot.
Yeah.
Again, find some good stuff.
What do you think, Kels?
Nice.
Nice.
Tastes good. What to film?
I forgot to film them ones. Like a traditional, you have like beef and... Is it beef and pork inside them? There's some sort of meat inside them, and then like a pastry around it with a little Thai traditional sauce.
I like that bit. My favourite. Can't really see, can you, in this dark? Yeah, it's very nice in here. To the mains now. Our food has come. That's the duck. That's the curry, green curry. Chicken and cashew nuts, and then prawn fried rice.
The nicest duck I have ever tried in my life. It literally just, the skin's unbelievable, but it just falls.
What sort of curry is it in? I don't actually.
It's a pineapple and tomato like spicy cooked like soup, curry, whatever you want to call it. Absolutely mint.
Yeah, I can't eat anymore. Can't eat anymore. So, Connor's finishing that. And we'll see ya after.
Hello. So that was absolutely beautiful. It was. Every bit of food was delicious.
It was good.
Don't know if you can see that. That is 1,974.15, which is, if I get,
enough 40 odd quid in it.
yeah, I think it is 40 quid. Hold that. If I get up on the good old calculator, £45.
Still cheaper than.
Oh, 100%. If you used to get that in England, then you know, you'd be paying stupid prices. So that is the, what was it called again, Kels?
The faces.
The Faces in Chiang Mai restaurant. It was nice, it was beautiful. Every bit of food was highly scored, wasn't it, Kels? But the bill was 1,974 quid. But, shall I say? And that in British pounds is about 45. So, for the standard we got, in comparison to what you'd pay in England, it's still bloody cheap. But it's the most we've paid. Is that in Thailand or just Chiang Mai? Nah, it's just Chiang Mai, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because Chiang Mai has been dramatically cheaper than everywhere else we've been so far. But Kels, out of 10 the food?
I rate it a solid 8. The only thing is I've had a better green curry from elsewhere.
Green curry was a bit off. Not off, it was just spicy and not as flavour. Yeah. The traditional dumpling things, they were nice.
They were nice.
The
Calamari,
I enjoyed the calamari.
I think I prefer it not as chewy.
Yeah, I think they're all pretty chewy though.
No.
I think they are. I think they are. Calamari is a chewy fish, however...
The duck and the
Pardon me.
chicken cashew.
Yeah,
nice.
the duck and the chicken cashew was beautiful. The duck especially, probably one of the nicest ducks I've tried.
Oh, it's good. It's not fine.
So where are we going now, Kels? I think we'll walk this way, eh? Why do you think that's moving?
animals in. That comes out me.
Rats and bins.
Hopefully it is a
That is minging.
Morning.
Yeah? You know what it reminds me of? Where Kung Fu Panda trains.
Yeah. Just got back. And I think we're going to end it here, yeah?
Yeah, knackered.
We're both knackered.
And that is the end of today's adventure. Anyone notice my white forehead? I think I'm gonna go bald, you know.
No.
Get it all off. I think that's gonna be the best option.
No. I don't.
We'll see. Ta-da!
Bye.